on camera now, so.
Still worried though, but it's hanging. Oh yeah, baby, hang on there. Oh yeah. Did you see that?
Yeah.
It was steered into the mountain. Engine brake's working though, buddy. My brake's on the left. Nice little part here though. Come on. Yeah, baby. I know where you're at. Whew. Come on, baby. My arm's getting tired.
Mine's getting tired too, both of them.
But I'm letting it engine brake it. Whew. Oh boy. Alright, I got a little break here because this looks like, whoo! Man, I don't know about coming up this. Dude, oh boy. Okay. Hang on. Oh, I wish I had a camera. I can't see it all.
Holy crap.
Like I said, just fall gracefully. Nice. You're gonna left wheels on a big dip. Yep, you gotta get over that dip though. There she goes. Nice, Greg. Yeah, I bet you're sweating on that one.
I was,
I saw. There's more traffic coming up the other side. Wow. Yeah, this would be quite the challenge there.
yeah.
Damn. Whoosh. I mean, that where you just dropped off, I'd have to be going fast so I could do the side, wall there.
Yeah.
But that's only if you're going fast. If not, you're just gonna think.
I thought about figuring out a way to go over to that side, but there's nothing there.
Wow. Well, my engine brake did good on that. I give it credit there. It did do good when I was bringing my dad.
On camera now, so.